Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you wondering, can digital marketing make you rich, or is it just another online scam? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and at the end of the week, not having enough time or money to spend with my family or to build my side hustles. I actually had this mom guilt because I was spending more money online than I was making online. From affiliate marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping, you name it, I've been there, done that. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. So, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how people make money online, what works, what doesn't, and whether you can do it or not, right? Now, what is digital marketing? It's simply about promoting your products or services online. And there's different ways that you can go about doing it. You could do social media marketing, you could do content marketing, email marketing, SEO, paid ads, affiliate marketing, e-commerce. There's different ways that you can actually make money. And as there's different, you could create your own products, or you could do e-commerce drop shipping, where you actually just promoting products that are out there on the internet and they're being shipped directly, and you don't have to deal with any products or any of that. You could do affiliate marketing, where you could promote other people's products or services and get a percentage of the commission of the sales that you make, right? You get this referral link and you put it out there. You can actually make money through advertising revenue. So there's like YouTube right now, where you're watching this, you can have ads on your videos and get paid that way. You could have blogs where you can put ads on your blogs, social media. There's different ways that different social media platforms are actually paying you to create content, right? So you can become a content creator. You could do freelancing agency work on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, where you could have a profile there and have people reach out to you to actually and pay you hourly or one-time payments. And you could create a course, you could do coaching. There's no shortage of the things that you can do as a digital marketer. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and just share my screen here and just share with you the type of money that's available for you as a digital marketer, because I am part of a business model called Master Resell Rights, where I bought this program one time and I have the rights to resell it over and over again and get 100% commission. So if you don't want to go through the hustle and of creating your own products and all that, you can actually leverage a done-for-you product, done-for-you program with a proven track record and get paid all the money directly as if you actually created that program yourself. So let me share with you our bonus sites of this program, just to give you an idea of what it looks like, and also share with you the kind of money that you can actually earn as a digital marketer and how people are getting rich. So we have over 51,000 paid members of our community, and this program here is a live interactive coaching and mentorship. So later on today, we're going to get a mindset training here with Jen. And it shows up in my time. I can just click that link and attend. And then next week, there's mentoring on a Monday. There's all these calls that I can jump onto. There's a free webinar on Friday. So these are all the different coaching and mentorship that I have access to, and you could have access to as well. And then this is our classroom Classroom, where we get access to more bonus material. So we have here the 90-day business growth sprint, where our multi-millionaire mentor sends us a video for 90 days. And that video sometimes talks about mindset, skill sets. She always usually has assignments at the end of it, 5 minutes long on average. And the video just shows up. So day 63 was yesterday. So day 64 will show up later today. So it's great to have a millionaire mentor just take you by the hand, walk you through. We have mindset training, we have tech replays, we have a content vault where you can download content and upload it onto your social media. We have mentoring replays that you can get access to, and so on and so forth. Social media training. Some members made 6 figures in 6 months, and they train us on how they did it. And then we have our community here, where I want to share with you the wins that we have in our community. So let me see. Let me just go to the financial wins, right? Christy got my second $900 sale for this week today while grocery shopping, right? Congratulations to Christy. TikTok win. She got a video, had 833 views. Absolutely amazing. Imagine 833 people in this room looking at your video. That's absolutely amazing. Let me see. 20 leads and 3 sales, 300. 300. Anton, that was 2 hours ago, made 3 sales. One was $300, then 2 were $900, right? So it was 1,200. And let me see. Destiny 8 hours ago made 1,800. Congratulations, Destiny. And let me see who else is out there. Yeah, so these are the different wins that we have in our community, and over 26,000 pages of wins, different types of wins. So that's what, to give you an idea, we actually have over 18 South Africans who have become self-made millionaires in South African rands. And we also have over 100 members who've earned 6 figures, right? So we have a proven blueprint that anybody can use to actually learn the skills to build a successful digital business. Now, let's talk about the harsh truth, right? And some misconceptions that people might have. Now, if this program that I'm sharing with you, making money in digital marketing, is definitely not a get-rich quick scheme. You're not going to throw money at it and start getting money back. It's actually a learning and earning platform. You get to learn high in-demand skills, and by applying those skills, you can end up earning some commissions as well, okay? And most people actually fail because they're expecting results fast. They're expecting to apply what they've learned and instantly get paid for that. But what you need to do is you need to be patient, consistent in taking action on what you learn. You learn to master a 2-hour workday, how to get your income-producing activities done in 2 hours. So your goal is to be consistent in that and be patient, and eventually you could end up seeing some results. So common mistakes, people have the shiny object syndrome, which I've always had in the past, and I've worked hard to overcome that, where you're just jumping from program to program, and you're not giving any program a chance, right? You're just jumping from one to one, and you're quitting too soon before you actually give the program a chance, and you're not looking at your data and your analytics, right? So who is digital marketing for and who it's not for? Digital marketing is for you if you are, it's not for you if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, right? If you're just looking to throw money at something and make money back. But it's for you if you're looking to learn, right? You want to learn high in-demand skills. You want to learn how to attract your perfect customer using social media. You want to learn how to brand yourself, how to build an email list, how to create content, short-form video, long-form video, live, right? You want to learn these skills that you can use for anything. If you're coachable, if you're teachable, definitely this is for you, right? And if you want to get started, it's very, very simple. There's different platforms out there for you. But what I want to do is, if I want to invite you to click the link in the description to claim your Freedom Formula Blueprint, because I'm on a mission to work really closely with 150 moms this year to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So I will deliver this blueprint to your email. Make sure you check your spam folder. And please respond to my email after you've watched the videos. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you have. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.